right? Back in the day, he had an amazing track called Ghetto Sound Check. All right, that went national, didn't it? Worldwide, okay? So we've been going back and forth, and finally we connected so that we could put a line dance together for this amazing track. We just practiced this right before the show. They just learned it, right? So, but anyway, we're gonna show you what it's gonna look like.
Check it out, y'all. When I say 4-1, y'all say 2. 4-1, 4-1. When I say Pittsburgh, y'all say Steelers. Pittsburgh, Pittsburgh. When I say 4-1, y'all say 2. 4-1, 4-1. Sound check. This how they got those sound check, 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 check. Up it, do a sound check, check, check. When they put the dance on, do a sound in the dance. Top it in the area, me do a sound check. Yes, I'm the big correct, the best, they got those sound tests. They got the African sing, them members that sound fresh. Scream it loud, play me down, it's up, that's how they said. If you ever gunshot, it is a gun sound check. If they gas them about it, it's a pony sound check. Your sound can hold it, it's a proper sound check. Your pussy book and best make up the sound check. That's how they get the sound check, check, check. Bad boy, and they dance for the sound check. Your sound number 1 for the sound check. Really they know for the sound check. We the happy boy for the sound check. But top it up around sound that is a sound boy. Top it up boy your east, my sound the boy your west. Play me down, play me down, try and never rest. Me never rest, me never rest, me never rest. Go take a number, get the like me, you can do a pony check. It is a pony check, pony check, pony check. Top it up, me you can do a pony check. After we done, they get those sound check. They say they get those sound check, 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 check. Top it, top it, top it, sound check. So they got those sound check. Yeah, they want that me, they be happy do a ghetto check. Get their president, yeah, me happy do a ghetto check. But top it up, pass through. When I'm up, she was respect. You see this primary, yes, I'm a kid for the break neck. Now I don't trouble people when you spook up themselves. Now I got turn it up, cause y'all children are go vex. Ghetto people love to dance, ghetto people love music. So I drop a rap up and the rhythm to my music. The sound can't test, nothing talk is exclusive. When it comes to dance, ghetto people are go roll it. Sound check, that's how they get those sound check. Sound check, that's how they get those sound check. Bad boy in the dance floor. Alright. They know more. We the happy one more. Ghetto people know more. Sound check.
Check me on one time for the one time. This is dedicated to our city, Pittsburgh, PA. Check it out, y'all. It goes like this. I get my props from my peoples in the PGH, from the north side, south side, the Homewood State. I get my props from the bad, props from the hard. I get props from all the G's, props from City Hall, props at the mall, from a tape CD sale. Props from Lincoln Ave, Laura Ave to the Dell. Props from Center Ave to Boniface and Fisher. Getting props from all the heights and getting props. Oh, well, sound check, hey, that's how they get those sound check, check, check. Up it, do it. When my sound reach, stop me, yo, 10 by 10. All over this show, we're to fit on the dominant. Anywhere that me go, you know they get to me or bring. Me not so love in the body, not the queen, now a king. So fit up with me, I chat me, chat that different same thing. We make get those sound check, and that me shine like diamond ring. From city shining, see me link up with black key. And on the sound, but them I pick up my follow me. So in me now, get the people filming up, they're still the same. To make up from them, they got to top it up, will never change. Anywhere that I go, it's all like feels me brain. Make get those sound check, I put those boy to shame. Guess I'll make get those sound check, check, check. I top it up, and come and do my sound check. Guess I'll make get those sound check, check, check. Guess I'll make get those sound check, check, check. Yes. Top it up, come around with your set, see it? That's not a true get those sound check, no boy can't come test, you see? Cause when me I play, it's me murder. Sound check, yes, I make it. Check 1, 2. Hey, brother, I gotta personally say, that's dope. I wanna see everybody doing that dance all over the world. Hey, look, listen, I gotta tell y'all. When I saw Roland doing it by himself, I was like, but when I'm looking at y'all, I was like, Lord have mercy. They ain't doing the thing, y'all. Y'all added that touch. Thank you, Dave. Great job, brother. Great job. Teamwork makes the dream work.